What is better than a TRX4? A mini TRX4, you guys, they are finally here. I have been patiently awaiting their arrival. So I've been having fun with the 24 scale Bronco, but you guys, I don't know why, these just seemed higher up on my priority list. Give this video a thumbs up if you have the 24 scale Bronco, and you're also going to need the 18th scale Bronco, because that's how we all live, right? So let's dive right in and get to what is all the hype about these things. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm the RC Princess, aka Shannon, and I have two TRX4M Broncos sitting here with me. Now, these things are 18th scale, and they are perfect for the holidays that are right around the corner. If you have someone on your gift list that is not quite ready for a 10th scale, but 24 scale seems kind of too small, then these are perfect, you guys. These little guys weigh about a pound, and they are around 10 inches long, and they are around 5 inches tall. The Defender is slightly taller with that roof rack on, but they are pretty close in size. So they are absolutely perfect for indoor use all year round. These are ready to run, so no skill level required whatsoever. However, there are some part swaps that are optional that we will get into later in the video. The TRX4Ms are available in a wider range of colors. Here I have the blue and the white. They also offer the Bronco in red and black. And for the Defender, they offer it in silver, red, blue, and green. They also have additional bodies that you can purchase, like the cyber orange that we all love. So that will probably be a future purchase. And speaking of the bodies, you guys, they are clipless. Yay! I absolutely love that. Those little body clips get on my nerves sometimes. So yes, these are clipless. There's just two clips down here that kind of just hold it on, like little tabs, and then you pull them and boom, body comes off. And then to put it back on, it's just a little snap. So I wanted to definitely throw in a size comparison for you guys, and I'll give you like panning up close shots. But here I have the 10th scale Bronco, the 18th scale Bronco, and the 24th scale Bronco. Now, I also wanted to throw in the new 18th scale Capra for you guys, so just for a wide variety of size comparison. So you can see why the little ones would be more fun indoors. I actually tend to use my little ones more in the winter time because when it's below zero, I don't really want to go out there and freeze. Have you guys ever tried to run a fire team in the house? It doesn't work. Don't do it. That's a story for another day. So just like the 24 scale Bronco, it has LED lights up front on the front bumper. But wait. You can get a pro scale lighting kit for the low price of $24.99 and get headlights, brake lights, reverse lights, even hazard lights, you guys. How cool is that? So this Bronco already has the pro scale lighting installed. So you have headlights, your tail lights, brake lights. Super cool. Are you ready for the hazards? All you have to do is turn your radio off and it goes crazy. That is so cool, you guys. I love that. I'm probably the only dork who loves that, but I don't know why. That to me gives scale vibes, right? So many accessories are available for these little ones already. So we talked about the pro scale lighting. I told you that they had extra body options for different colors. And they also offer a little trailer. You guys, how cute is that? It says Traxxas on the back. So all you do is when you open it, you have to, they recommend taking the back bumper off to install the hitch. You guys, super easy. 4 screws to get this up and running. Super easy. So you install your hitch and then you just snap your trailer right on there and you're good to go. And we all know what mine will be hauling. Yeah, you guessed it, margaritas. According to Traxxas, the TRX4ms are all waterproof, so it makes it really fun for all year round play. I am really curious to see how these guys do in the snow. It's actually snowing today, but it's like little flurries. It's not going to accumulate to anything. So an amazing thing that they did was they added the battery tray down low, so it gives you a lower center of gravity and just gives the car that much more crawling capability. So moving on to tires, I absolutely love everything, you guys. I just realized that. Anyway, I love the spare tire cover with the little Bronco on it. But also, speaking of tires, they decided to put the Canyons on the Defender, and the Bronco is equipped with BF Goodrich mud terrain tires, and they're not glued. That's a bonus in my book. I don't know about anybody else. And they have no foam inserts. So I was actually really interested to find that out. So the chassis is super durable, you guys. This is not going to break easily. And just like the 18 scale Capra, it has oil-filled shocks. It also has 4-link front and rear suspension. The suspension on these things, you guys, is amazing for how little they are. They also do not have portal axles. They have straight axles, but that just adds to the scale looks, right? So the steering servo is actually axle mounted, and the link is also raised, giving you better ground clearance. And the turning on this thing, you guys, like when I first saw it run, I was in disbelief. It is a 45-degree turn radius. And so now about the part swaps that I was talking about earlier. If the current transmission doesn't fit your crawling style, Traxxas has you covered. They are offering 3 different transmission options to give you that real feel RC experience and fit your style. So now a question everybody has been having, what if I want to bind it to my TQI radio like the rest of my Traxxas models? Well, it's super easy. Let me show you, but don't go looking for that power button because you will not find one. Since there's no power button, you have to hold down the easy set button while plugging the battery in. And then hold down the set button and turn the TQI on. And now it's bound. So now let's put these bad boys to the test and see exactly how capable they are. The TRX4ms are super quiet, and shout out to my parents for making those cool obstacles back there. My mom burnt her finger and everything, but I would say it was well worth it because those are super cool. So as you guys can see, the hype about the TRX4ms was well warranted. I am so excited. You guys have got to get your hands on these. This is gonna, if I'm not around for a while, it's because I'm playing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me to know that you guys like the content that I'm putting out and to do more of it. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.